In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check Google Form responses. Start by going to Google Forms. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're in Google Forms, locate and open the form for which you want to check responses. You'll see a list of your forms. Just click on the one you're interested in. At the top of your form, click on the Responses tab. This tab will show you an overview of all the responses that have been submitted. In the Summary section, you'll see visual representations of your responses, including pie charts, bar graphs, and summary statistics. This is a great way to get a quick overview of how people are answering your questions. To see responses one by one, click on the Individual tab. Here, you can scroll through each submission and see how each other respondent answered your questions. This is useful for reviewing detailed answers. If you need more detailed analysis, you can use the options provided to filter or download the responses. For instance, you can export the responses to a Google Sheet document for further manipulation or review. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.